Hey guys, today's video is brought to you by our friends at Jet Tools. Doesn't matter whether you're working on a classic car, such as a 68 big block sports satellite, or a 67 Camaro convertible, or even a 1970 Chevelle convertible. Whether it's a classic car or you're fabricating parts from scratch, with Jet Tools, you're gonna get it right the first time and every damn time. Stay tuned, see what's coming up. And again, thanks to Jet Tools for all the help they give us.
And I made this panel because I didn't think I'd have time to get a replacement. Now, pretty happy with it. But it's quicker to cut it out and use the one that's already welded to the aftermarket trunk floor, which is kind of a shame because I like that piece, but that's all right. All that work, what did it get me? Alright. Now, okay, I'm going to cut across the front of this brace and then the air chisel. Wow. Yeah, I guess. It's quite a mess. What to do? I think it's time to break out the freaking air cheese. I'm leaving that for as long as possible just to help tie things together while I'm hammering everything quite vigorously. So for now, I'll get the air chisel and start taking this stuff out. And all that fresh stuff I built, that's gonna be tough to get out. But that's just the way it goes. I'm afraid I am. Some vice grips to hold that down. And then I can start welding this in place. And after that, these go on. But I gotta finish the floor over there. I may drill the top here, I think, just because I can weld that from the top still and vice grip it. Why not? All right, well, weld this piece in. Look at this thing, a beauty. Oh yeah. New trunk floor. Smith built. See, that means we can lower this down a bit. We just got more of the etching. We just got 4 cans and so like when we get that done we want to tail lights and shoot this around.
Like just around the end here?
Put the tail lights in. I mean I'm gonna have to prime it right here. But I'm just waiting to see if I get these shock brackets or not.
Well, this is gonna get.
You mean it's excellent?
Yeah.
Yes. I called Vaz. I ordered a shock mount for 67 Camaro convertible, and he said he was gonna expedite it so it would be in last Friday. I'm wondering if it did happen to make it. We'll ship up the rest of this. And I think there was a cowl as well. Oh yeah.
Looks like it was all shipped on March 31st.
So, oh no, I've got the mounting kit. I need the upper shock bracket that welds on the frame, passenger side, for 67 Camaro. And I was gonna make one, but he said he would try to have it shipped in to your shop by last Friday.
Wiper cowl's not here yet.
Okay.
I'm not seeing anything about a shock mount.
Ooh, okay. Well, with rear shock mount, like I say, passenger side. So I mean,
Have a quick peek here. The shock mount. Of course, they don't have it listed under that lovely.
yeah, and it's a weird looking thing. It's like a parallelogram Z. It's a really strange looking thing. And at the top of it is where the upper shock goes into the body. So this welds into the trunk floor bulkhead.
Let's try 319. And this is all the shipment that I'm doing right now.
Okay, so it looks like it probably didn't make it, eh?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm not seeing it. Yeah, we'd have to double check with Vaz tomorrow and find out what's going on there.
Yeah. Okay. No, I greatly appreciate your time, man. And,
Yeah, I apologize for that.
Okay,
yeah,
man.
I'm not coming up with anything though.
no worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Well,
right.
thank you very much, and I'll check in tomorrow.
Okay, thanks.
Bye for now.
All right, bye.
Now that's a serious drag. Those guys are great. They've been really fast getting us everything we need, but without that shock bracket, I can't finish mounting or repairing the bulkhead between the trunk and the interior. And that's kind of a drag.
What else do you want to put on that car?
You got the taillights in already?
No, it's only. Actually, there's a lot of bolts on this.
There are. We're gonna have to spray like a black sealer on it. You know that sealer that
Yeah.
the Matrix UTM? Do we still have black?
I have no idea about that. Oh,
Because if
got
we do,
visitors.
what's that?
We have visitors.
Oh,
walking
yeah.
up.
I'm just, we can put the grill in. We can set the console in.
Do you
There's
want
seats.
there's that front cowl panel too that goes under the window, or do you want to wait till after?
The new one hasn't shown up, so I might as well just hit it with the etching primer and set it in place. Ooh, tall, nice.
Yeah, just getting it up. What's the piece that goes to this, to the actual like
Oh, ragline? Oh. I don't know. I took it off of that frame we got. It didn't have it on it.
It might be in that.
It might be in the parts, the one that came with the car. Because, yeah, this car had no frame when we got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, it sure be nice to have.
Yeah. might not really need one. I mean,
Well, no, I mean, it needs wheels. And I mean, again, if Mike was here, he'd just grab
Yeah.
one because he knows where they are.
yeah.
Yeah. And then we never did find the grill. Actually, I'll check the GTO. It was in the GTO, but it shouldn't be now. But that's the last place I saw it. Turning my head upside down wasn't a good idea.
No, it's not.
Holy. Okay, well, Mike will be back here fairly soon. Are you up to any more welding, or are you feeling pretty sick?
I mean, I could do whatever.
Well, let's have a look at it and see if we can come up with a plan.
Okay. I'm trying not to bail out on you.
Oh, hey, that's all right. I mean, at this point, I wouldn't have got that car done without you. Thank you. See, there's a shock mount goes across here,
Yeah.
which I'm waiting for.
Okay.
And I
Sam
wonder-
did, or what is it coming from?
Oh, it's coming from the coast.
Oh, okay. So it's not Lorco?
No.
Okay.
And I just wondered if we could do this piece over to here. I mean,
Yeah.
but do we gain much? I mean, it's pretty tough.
Do you have to go in and...
Well, the thing is that this has to be open because this comes way up and over.
I'm just thinking, don't you want this open when you weld that shock mount on? Otherwise you're just kind of screwing yourself.
You're right. Yeah, there's just no proper way of doing it until we have the shock mount.
Yeah.
And that's gonna hurt it because a lot of people will look at that and freak out, which means I'll get it cheap.
And Phil's just prepping the window to go in. So.
Okay. Yeah, it would have been nice to prime, but anyhow, we'll see.
I mean, whatever. This one could sit inside if you don't get prime before the auction.
Well, yeah, that's right. We don't have the booth.
I mean, honestly, there's not a whole lot of bare metal on it, you know?
Well, the
Just
inside here.
Yeah.
And I mean, I can do that right here, open up the
Yeah.
big door, do it at night. So, yeah, I mean, we're not worried about patches.
Make Mike do it tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. I never did. It's missing the stud. I haven't tightened up the bolts in the end of the springs. It's not critical.
I'll wait till you get your shock mount and stuff.
Well, no, but you gotta have the weight on the car, and right now it's finally sitting on the springs. I still gotta tighten up the leaf spring retainers. So, without a grill,
That's about it.
I mean, you can,
And take all the tools out of it and...
yeah, I guess. Yeah, if you clean up around here, so then I can prime it if I get a chance. Yeah. So then it's just, I mean, at that point you can go rest up. If you're better tomorrow, come on down.
Probably shall come tomorrow morning and then I can just work until I'm burnt out.
Can't find the grill for the Camaro. The shock mount, Baz is off today, and they don't know where it is, and he shipped it air freight to get it here quick. So I can't finish off.
Okay, so let me get the Camaro grill. Where is it? Where is it? It should be, hang on.
And a rag joint for the Camaro that goes on the steering box. We don't have that.
Does Lorco have one?
I didn't ask, she just told me. So
Okay, hang on.
I went, well, there's gotta be 16 out here.
No, not the Chevys, we got them. Oh, one off the 68 over the Camino, one might fit. I'll go look.
It might. Well, we're waiting to hear if we get the bracket for the Camaro. Don't know if that's coming or not. Last you heard it was in Anaheim, California. So we're hoping to get word back on that right away. And then I gotta go put the dash in the orange convertible. so Phil can put the windshield in this afternoon. And we still got to free up the brakes on the block. It's tough. We got to get that car out of here before the auction people get here. And I got to get the Camaro outside. Except I've got to wait and find out if we're getting that other part so I can finish it. If not, we sell it the way it is. Mike's offered me a deal on it right now, but I don't know if I want it. The deal. The madness begins. Well, it began 4 years ago for me, actually. I had no freaking idea.
Is the Camaro done?
Not selling it.
I didn't figure you would.
We never got it finished. I'll show it to you.
We're waiting for one part, a shock mount, and it got lost somewhere in shipping in the U.S., so we had to pull it from the auction.
This is the piece we were waiting for. Was a shock mount.
Oh, yeah.
So we could finish that.
Yeah.
You had to rebuild all the whole other side as well, right? All 4 layers.
Yeah, I watched it.
Yeah, so
Yeah, I've done the same
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
and it's a lot of work.
it is.
And
I'm-
people don't appreciate it.
No, but like Blair says, it took him 1 day to do that side. There's a day's work. After that, I just said, I'm yarding it. I got the back console with all the gauges. I got, like, why give it away? I'll keep it in memory, my buddy. Do a 5-speed TKX conversion. So that's why it's sitting in here. Nobody's walking in there. They can whine all they want. It's my auction.
I really wanted to buy it. So the other one is the 59 El Camino that's sitting out there in a trailer beside the Blazer. So I guess it doubled my budget available because there's only one now.
And then I just put tires on it yesterday, and I'm going, why would I throw those away too for nothing? They're actually American-made 15/8s.
Cool.
So anyway,
Did he get the fender to fit?
yeah. Well, you know what? Blair bought a car got. This piece fills up the gap.
That's what I was thinking. Isn't there chrome
Yeah.
there? I was
Yeah.
watching it and I'm thinking, yeah, Blair's up here.
Yeah, well, we've never done one.
Yeah.
Somebody said, Blair, look at this picture. Anyway. But yeah, whatever. I'm gonna build it as a roadster. I'm not even gonna put a top on it. Who cares? Gravel guard the whole box line, the whole floor, and
Yep, call it a day.
put a 5-speed in it just to drive it.